right, we are doing vocabulary today, and we are looking at lesson 13, which goes along with our story about the Antarctic Journal. So in this chapter, we are going to talk about words such as, number 1, display. The natural world is full of glorious scenes such as this display of wildlife. So what does display mean? It's something shown publicly. If you display a piece of artwork, you're showing it to the public or anyone who would like to see. Number 2, alert. These animals are alert. They are wide awake and ready to take action. What does it mean to be alert? To be alert is to be wide awake and paying attention. Just like we are in school, right? Wide awake and paying attention. Number 3, weariness. This bird can fly many miles. It may get tired, but it isn't stopped by its weariness. A person who is very tired experiences weariness. So the hummingbird, if you guys don't know, it constantly flaps its wings so fast that we can barely see the wings at all because they are moving so fast. So the example is showing us that the hummingbird is not stopped by being tired. Fractured. Number 4, fractured. In Antarctica, chunks of fractured or broken ice float through the icy sea. So fractured means broken or cracked. Number 5, standards. By these polar bears' standards, or ways of measuring, cold air might be comfortable. So they tell you right here after the or, ways of measuring. Standards are rules used for judging or measuring. So the bears don't think it's cold. It's comfortable to them. It would be really cold for us. Number 6, vision. Artists can have a vision or mental image of how to paint a scene from nature. A vision is an idea of what something could be like or in the future. So it's a mental image. When I read a story, I am always making a vision of the story in my mind as I read it. I make those pictures and I make a mental image so I can see what's happening in the story. Number 7 is huddle. Baby goslings often huddle or crowd together to stay warm while they nap. So a huddle means they crowd together. Number 8, graceful. The delicate design of a spider's web is graceful and pleasing to see. Something that moves smoothly and with ease is graceful. Stranded. This fawn may seem stranded or left helpless. Its mother is nearby, though. So if a person is stranded in a place, he or she is unable to leave it. A lot of people ask you if you're stranded on a desert island, which means you're stuck there and you can't leave, what's the one thing that you would take? And number 10 is concluded. Many people have concluded or decided that nature is full of beauty. So if a person concluded something, he or she has made a decision or formed an opinion. So in this situation, they have formed the opinion and decided that nature is beautiful. These are the words for this week, and today you'll do your definitions and look more into the words. I want you to pick the 2 words that you find the hardest to remember and make a vocabulary web with 2 of those. And then on Tuesday during our 10 a.m. meeting, we are going to have our vocabulary discussion where we get to talk about these words. So make sure on Monday you get a chance to really study them so that you're able to talk comfortably during our meeting about these words. Have a great day.